Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing Motorola's Moto G6. So peeling off the plastic, this is how the box looks like. It has a very similar packaging to that of Moto G6 Play that I unboxed yesterday, and on the back we have the specifications of the phone. Opening the box, firstly we are presented with the phone. I'll get back to that in later parts of the video. And also in the box we have some standard earphones, USB-C cable and a power adapter which is a turbocharger. Moving on, here I'm peeling off the plastic, turning on the phone and going through the setup process, during which we will be asked to register our fingerprint. Once it's set up, it does unlock very quickly and is very consistent in doing so. In terms of storage, this phone has 32 gigabytes of internal storage, out of which about 6 gigabytes is used, so around 25 gigabytes is available out of the box. In terms of software, it is running Oreo right out of the box. Next, in terms of physical overview, on the front here we have a flash, camera and speaker. To the right we have power and volume buttons, and to the bottom we have USB-C port and 3.5 mm headphone jack. To the top we have noise cancelling microphone and SIM card slot. On the back we have dual cameras and flash, and then we have Moto branding, and here at the bottom left we have secondary noise cancelling microphone. Next, in terms of weight, this phone weighs at 161 grams and it feels a lot lighter than that to hold in the hand, along with a premium feel to it. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you are interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.